Okay, we have question math. Okay, out of 100 students of class 5, 73 pass in mathematics, 83 pass in science in the final examination, but 7 fail in both subjects and 5 were absent in the examination. If M and S be the sets of students who pass in mathematics and science respectively, then what are the values of NM and NS? Second, find the number of students who fail in both subjects. Third, we have find the number of students who in either of who student pass in either of the subjects. Find the number of students who pass in both subjects, and finally showing them in the Venn diagram. We have number of students who fail both subjects are 7 and 5 students are absent in the examination. Note that if students are absent, then they are meant to fail. So total fail student equals to 7 plus 5 equals to 12. It means N union S complement equals to 12. First, always make Venn diagram for reference. We have only two sets, so we are going to make only two sets. These two sets are of pass student, and out of these sets all these are complement which belongs to fail students. First part, we know the formula nu equals to n m union s plus n m union into all complements. It means total number of student equals to pass student plus fail student, and we have the value total number of student equals to 100, and we have total number of pass student we have to find out, and total of fail student is 12. So after calculation we get the total number of pass student equals to 100 minus 12 equals to 88. Similarly, we have another formula, n m union s equals to nm plus ns minus nm intersection s. Putting the values, we get nm union s nm plus ns minus n intersection s. We have union value 88, and number of students pass in mathematics we have 73, number of students pass in science we have 84, and the number of students who passed in both subjects we have to find out. So after calculation, the number and m intersection s, we get 69 value. After finding the union and intersection, we can first of all we have to first of all fill the Venn diagram. As we know, these two are of pass student, these two sets are of pass student, and out of these two sets all of other outsides are fail number of fail student. We have number of fail student equals to 12, so we keep it in outside, and we have number of pass student, number of student who pass in both subject, that is intersection, we have 69. First of all, we have to write the intersection, that makes us easy to understand. Now we have number of student who pass in math. Actually math student is this whole one. So the number of student who pass only mathematics is this. So number of student only mathematics is 73 minus 69, we get 4, and the number of students who pass in science is the whole circle, but the number of students who pass only science is the has one. It means we have the value 84 minus 69, we get the value 15. Now moving on to the question, we have If N and S be the set of students who pass in mathematics and science respectively, then what are the values of NM and NS? We have the value of NM equals to this circle, this whole one, that is 73. We have 73, and NS equals to this whole one, it's actually 84. Question number 1. Second, find the number of students who fail in both subjects. Who fail in both subject means those students who does not belongs to this pass category are failed student. That is M union S complement. That is we have from the Venn diagram 12. Similarly, find the number of students who pass in either of the subject, means either of the subject. It could be math or it could be science. So we have N M union S, it's actually 88. And find the number of students who pass in both subjects. Who pass in both subjects means N intersection H. From the Venn diagram we have N intersection H is this one, that is 69. And we have one more question. If question asks us the student who pass only mathematics and only science, then we have to calculate total. From there we have this one, this is pass in both subjects. This pass in both subject, this pass in math. So number of students who pass only mathematics, it means this only, actually 73 minus this pass in both subjects, that is 69 equals to 4. Similarly, number of students who pass only science, we have the science category here, and only science means this one, this has 1. So we have to calculate as the whole one is actually number of students who pass in science minus number of students who pass in both subjects. It's we have number of students who pass in science, that is 84, and number of students who pass both science and math, this one, it's actually 69. So number of students who pass only science is 15. Thank you.